Hi there, it's George here. Did you remember a succulent plant that I grew from seed, which is Epiphyllum here, and it was grow very beautiful in my care from seed. Now it's time for repotting this plant. In this video I'm gonna do that. So the seeds gifted to me linked by the seed plants of Avalon on YouTube from Ireland. That's it, and so happy that so healthy did grow this plant, and already growing leaves large, as you can see this one. Maybe you did see this plant in my videos in the past, but I have to repot it in such pot. Let me show you. Here we go, and I hope it will like this pot, and we'll see will grow beautiful, and in one day will bloom, and we'll see the blooms should be very beautiful. So I germinated this Epiphyllum plant in 2020, and here I write it, Epiphyllum variety. I will write in the video as well. So it is a beautiful plant, and as you can see the leaves are large, already started growing, and this one as well, and but these ones are still small, like when the seeds starting to germinate, That's it. Let's do it. Let's give for this plant a new home, and I'm sure it will grow beautiful. I succeed. Well, first of all, I have to add potting soil in the pot, then I will have to plant the Epiphyllum. This is the potting soil made by me. It's like compost in it, soil from the garden, a little bit of sand, and used soil from my plants that dried, and stuff like that. And now let's plant this beautiful Epiphyllum here. Well, remained only to add potting soil around it. As you can see, the soil is wet. I will not water because I watered it before the potting to remove easy from the pot. That's it. Let's add soil more. Well, it's all looking the plant in the new home, and looks more beautiful, and this plant I grew outside, and I have to bring it outside back because it's summer yet, and they love to grow in the air in summertime. Only a few plants I grow indoor in summertime, only here, but all my plants are outside. Let's grow it outside until October. That's it, so beautiful this plant is. especially when we growing from seed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Subscribe if you want, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.